It's Halolita too. It's Halolita. It's tasteful. It's graceful. It's Halolita. It's Halolita. What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Halolita too. And today, guys, I am back to bring you a tutorial. Guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the bell button. That way you're notified each and every time that I post. You want to make sure that you're following me on Instagram. That's Halolita2, as I do keep my story updated if you want to kind of stay in the loop of what's going on. I also do post on the community board here, so it's important that you have those notifications on. Today, we're going to be getting into a tutorial. Someone said, hey, Lo, you should do the Ari walk. Can you teach us the Ari walk? And I said, I still haven't taught the Halolita walk class. So it snapped me right into tutorial mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and push out this tutorial. We're gonna break down the movements. You wanna make sure that you're in something loose fitting so you can be able to achieve the walk class, okay? It's gonna be a lot of tasteful and graceful movement going on. So I'll give you a few minutes. Go get something loose on. We're gonna go ahead and get right into the tutorial. All right now, so I take it that you're all changed and you're in something loose. I'm gonna teach you these movements. They are truly advanced level. You want to go back and watch the very first clap tutorial so you can learn how to basic clap. And once you learn how to basic clap, all of this will be easy for you, I promise. So I'm going to go ahead and start by stepping out on my right leg. So I'm going to step out and then you bounce. You want to step out and then bounce. You want to step out and then bounce. You want to step out and then bounce. I'm going to demonstrate it forward and then we'll go ahead and do it backwards. We'll run it back again. It's very important that you get the movement down before we speed it up, okay? So you want to step and then bounce, step and then bounce. You want to step and then bounce. The force that you apply to your hips as you come down after the step is going to be what wakes up the claps. That's going to create a ricochet of noise. So let's run it again. Walk this way so you'll be able to see, okay? So it's going to be the same movement that you've seen going forward. So you want to step out and then bounce. You want to step out and then bounce. You want to walk it and then bounce. You want to walk it and then bounce. It's the hip movement. Walk it and then bounce. You know, walk it and then bounce. You know, walk it and then bounce. So let's go ahead and walk it forward. So you're going to step out and then you bounce. You're going to step out and then you bounce. You're going to step out and then you bounce. You want to step out and then you bounce. Step out and then you bounce. See how my feet, they aren't leaving the ground? Your feet shouldn't have to leave the ground. I keep telling you all that. The clap, your feet does not have to come up off the ground. You do not have to jump up and down. It's not needed. So you want to walk and then bounce, walk and then bounce, walk and then bounce, walk and then bounce. Sort of like that hip dance. I'm gonna do it forward. I'm gonna kick off my slides because I don't want to slip. I don't want to fall on my walks because let's get a little more forceful with the movement. Forceful with the movement. Okay, let's do it. So we're gonna walk and then bounce. You walk and then you bounce. Walk and then bounce. Walk and then bounce. Walk and then bounce. Walk and then bounce. That's what it is. So we're going to go ahead and speed it up, going this way. So you want to, that's what it's going to sound like. You see, as I move quicker, you see that? It's all the movement is the same. We're just moving quicker. And when you move quicker, that's what you get. All right, guys, so we're going to repeat the movement for the last and final time. I'll show you again forward and backwards. And then we're going to go ahead and get out of here into our next tutorial. So let's go ahead and do it, guys. So we're going to do it at fast mode. If you need to rewind and go back to the slower instructions, go ahead and take some time to do that. But we're going to go ahead and speed it up forward. Let's go. It's a walk and a bounce. It's a walk and a bounce. And you're putting a force every time you come down when you bounce down. Okay? And we're going back. It's a real subtle movement. It's a very subtle movement. Guys, that's all I got in this tutorial. Until our next tutorial, see you next time. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Good night.